According to some specialists, Wuornos' crimes have been related to her psychopathic personality and a psychotraumatic past. Assessed during the psychopathy checklist, she scored 32 out of 40 with a cut-off score of 30 before determining psychopathy. She was known to meet the relevant criteria for determining BPD and antisocial personality disorder. According to Bryce Arrigo, her childhood sexual abuse and career in S-work irrevocably damaged her, and it could be seen that traumatic experiences throughout most of her young life would play a part in her psychological state, including her biological mother's departure as well as her grandmother ignoring the abuse she endured from her grandfather, thus leading to a lack of development of a mother-daughter bond for Wuornos as a young girl. The damage was then made worse because both Wuornos and her brother believed that the grandparents were their biological parents, but at the age of 11 they learned that this was not the case, which further damaged the relationship between Wuornos and her adoptive parents. Wuornos was also known to have early behavioural problems such as having an explosive temper, which limited her ability to make friends, as well as making it increasingly difficult for her to maintain relationships. Her traumatic upbringing, including her physical and sexual abuse, have been partially linked to the development of her BPD. Such severe trauma can be said to also disrupt the structuralization of the mind at various developmental points and result in FBI profiler Robert Resler briefly mentions Wuornos in his autobiographical history of his 20 years with the FBI, writing in 1992 that he said that he often does not discuss female serial killers because they tend to kill in sprees instead of in a sequential fashion. He noted Wuornos as the sole exception. Resler, who allegedly coined the term serial killer to describe murderers seeking personal gratification, does not apply to women killing in postpartum psychosis or to any murderer acting solely for financial gain, such as women who have killed a series of boarders or spouses.